Dímelo, 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 YouTube, dímelo, TikTok, dímelo, Twitch. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. It is Thursday. Let's go. Give me some Hadoukens. Give me some boom chakalakas.
Boom shakalaka!
Ah, Chewy. Yes, sir. We are back, sir. And we are live. Oh my goodness, I can't even believe it, bro. What's up, everyone? It's your boy, David. Back again with a fire update on the markets, crypto, and the wild moves from Tesla and Nvidia. We've got a lot of headlines this morning, and yes, futures are red. Let's break it down. Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, you already know that Seeking Alpha is the place where I get all of my information. I don't like to be connected with other political parties in my news. MSNBC, CNN, Fox, fake news. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, the S&P 500 is down negative 0.6%, the Nasdaq 100 futures is down negative 0.8%, and the Dow futures is down negative 0.6%. These come after weak earnings and growing macro tension. We'll dive into the charts in a second, ladies and gentlemen. And actually, I wanted to check out over here. So markets will also keep a watch on tech giants like Alphabet. Quarterly results slated to land after the market close. Other firms like Intel, American Airlines, and Comcast will also release their results on Thursday. Another item that I want to review is the economic calendar is on the heavier side, with March durable goods and initial jobless claims set to come before the opening bell. The former is forecasted to come in at 2.1% month over month, and the latter is expected to rise to 222K. Core durable goods is expected to come in at 0.3% month over month. And if you want to get a little bit of more information, go to Forex Factory. I found another tool, but I have to pay for it. I will let you all know, guys. Oh, Trump goes after Federal Reserve's Powell again. Interesting. Yes, because they're hurting the markets. But anyways, let's see what we got in the economic calendar today, guys. So as you can see, we don't have red folder news today, guys. Unemployment claims actually is the same as the forecast, 222K. Core durable goods, 0.0. Forecast was 0.3. Durable good orders, 9.2% from the 2.1%, okay? So we got a little bit of more details right now. But anyways, the segment number 2 I gotta talk about is Tesla. Yes, sir. Tesla just started testing the Robotaxi service in both Austin and the Bay Area. That means real-world autonomous vehicle trials are underway. This isn't just hype. This could reshape urban mobility and massively shift Tesla's business model. So keep an eye on Tesla, guys. Definitely wanna watch out for Tesla. And I'm gonna go ahead and review it real quick. TSLA, as you already know, yesterday we went to $250, and pre-market we are at $252. I know that some of you are already telling me Tesla is looking good, and we are actually creating a very strong support area. So it is definitely looking better. Okay, we gotta break out of the trend line, and that should be a great confirmation for us to capitalize on the drop opportunity. Okay, let's continue, guys. I do want to do a video in a little bit for Tesla, and let me see. Segment number 3, which is Nvidia, guys. Nvidia. Let's go ahead and review. Nvidia 102.71 was yesterday's close. Today we're at 103.5. So what is it happening? So SK Hynix, which supplies Nvidia's high bandwidth memory HBM chips, just dropped its Q1 report. Revenue up 144% year over year. Operating profit flips to 2.89 trillion, won from a loss last year. HBM chip demand is still booming despite tariff risks. This is super bullish for Nvidia related plays, especially as AI growth continues. And for Nvidia, we haven't reached the 200 EMA, but we are getting close. Maybe our average will be about 70s. I don't know. It's just this whole area, bro. This whole area is the zone. So anything on this block or even a little bit lower, for me, is going to be a buy. Okay. And when we break out of this trend line, that's when I confirm that we are going to go to the upside. Not complicated. Segment number 4, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Segment number 4 over here. The Dow unveils. Espérate, guys. Let me just recover this. The Dow unveils $6 billion plan to preserve cash after Q1 loss. So the Dow, the company, not the index, just rolled out a $6 billion plan to reserve liquidity after posting its Q1 loss. They're freezing hiring, cutting costs, and optimizing inventory. This could be defensive or a red flag for the broader materials sector. So what do you think, guys? Dow. D-O-W. The company, not the market. Okay? Maybe that's why this is where it's at. It's at 28.9. But anyways, I just wanted to review that. Let's go ahead and move forward to China. Okay. The tensions happening. Dímelo, Betabot. How you doing, my bro? You doing good? I hope you're doing good, my friend. You are on OG. Always here, bro. I love it. 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 You're an OG, bro, and I appreciate it, bro. So China just called on US to lift all unilateral tariffs, flat out denying any ongoing trade talks. This adds pressure ahead of the election cycle and increases risk for tariff-exposed sectors like chips, autos, and industrials. And as you can see, guys, the market is actually moving because of this. Okay, but just to get a little bit of more clarity over here. At present, there are absolutely no negotiations on the economy and trade between China and the U.S. Ministry of Commerce spokesperson He Jiadong told reporters in Mandarin, adding that all sayings regarding progress on bilateral talks should be dismissed. Jiadong further stressed that if the U.S. really wants to resolve the problem, it should cancel all the unilateral measures on China. So, to give a little bit of more context, earlier this week, President Trump and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent signaled a potential easing of tensions with China. The White House imposed 145% tariffs on Chinese imports earlier this month, prompting Beijing to retaliate with its own tariffs and tighter export controls on critical minerals bound for the U.S. China's Commerce Ministry echoed remarks by Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wu, who told state media on Thursday that no trade talks were currently taking place. But anyways, guys, you get it. Now let's take a look at some crypto. Let's look at the crypto bubbles. Let's get to the crypto bubbles. And crypto bubbles, let's refresh it. Last day, let's look at the daily. We are red, and I actually expected this, guys, because Bitcoin reached a resistance, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But the Trump coin is 32% up, which is insane in the last day, huh? I see SYN, B3, AST, Gods. Ooh, Gods. Prompt, Paul, finally. Polygon, finally, bro. Oh my goodness. And XCN, 7.2%. There's a lot of green. There's not a lot of green, but there's some green. Even, bro, even the spell token. I'm actually in this. Once again, I added a little bit more. And I see a lot of red. Let's look at the last hour. There's more green in the last hour than the day. And the weekly still in the green. Okay? Let's go and see Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin did reach a resistance Let me show you real quick, guys. If you look at the weekly candles, we had this area here becoming a strong resistance, okay? That is why Bitcoin pushed down. And I don't know, not only that, we are getting to overbought territory on the daily, but we were already there on the 4 hour, okay? 4 hour actually told me, yes, we are a little bit overbought, so we may go down a little bit. We're down not a lot, 1%. Ethereum is actually lower. We went to 1723, now back to 1758. Definitely wanna keep an eye on this as well. Especially, oh yes, we gotta keep an eye on the RSI for the weekly. That's gonna be important. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, right now Ethereum is not doing that much, so it's good. Cardano 0.6940 back up from the bottom of 0.67. Oh, actually that was my take profit, bro. Gotta keep an eye on that, bro. Let's look at XRP. XRP, I actually did short it for a little bit, guys, and it did reach the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, which was one of my targets. Went a little bit lower to 2.1197. Let's keep an eye on that as well, because we're creating a support. But if you look at the daily, you can see we created some lows and we're creating rejections as well. And let me look at Bonk real quick, because I did get in Bonk as well. Yeah, Bonk did get a sell signal on the 1 hour, as you can see. Very strong sell signal. We're getting the RSI cross over here, so that could be something to keep an eye on. Or at least I have to keep an eye on. Oh yeah, we reached the 200 EMA, so there you go. That's the why we bounce back. But anyways, that's gonna be it for crypto bubbles. Let me go to Forex real quick. I wanna check out my Euro USD position. So I did sell Euro USD yesterday, as you already saw. We did go down very nicely. The daily, it doesn't have a wick on the bottom, so I'm gonna watch out for this one. I actually got some sell limits as well. Our analysis yesterday was on point. As you can see, we created our resistance here. Right now, I think we are accumulating orders. So once the market opens, we should be seeing some movement. Hey, thank you for the sub. Dímelo, Dark Anchor. Good to see you, my friend. Boom shakalaka to you, bro.
Boom shakalaka!
Sleepy? Dímelo, Dark Anchor. How you doing?
Bruh.
Hey, good to see you, bro. Good to see you. And thank you for the sub, whoever sub. What you doing? I'm doing an analysis of the markets and looking at the news, bro. That's what I do every morning. Every time I wake up, I get my coffee and I'm ready to just review some news and review the markets. That's it. That's all I do every morning, bro. Before I work, because I gotta go work as well. After this, I work, and after that, I go do another live stream on the other channel. That's my day, bro. Okay, guys. So we already reviewed a few things. So right now I see Euro USD recovering a little bit. Seems like that bullish engulfing may be significant. I want to keep an eye on that resistance though. My stop loss are in profit, so I should be good. Yo. I still think that it can go lower, but we'll find out. But anyways, look at that bullish candle, bro. It's creating a great rejection. This is a great rejection there, bro. We'll have to wait and find out, bro. There's nothing else to do. Okay, now my next segment over here. Yeah, I already did the crypto bubbles. Yeah, and now I want to check out the stock market heat map, just to have an overall perspective of how the market did yesterday. This is the best way to do it. Just get a stock market heat map. You don't have to review all of the charts, but you can see that technology, electronic technology, finance a little bit mixed, but technology definitely did good. Even Amazon did well in the retail trade side of things, even though we did get some red there in that sector. Health technology a little bit mixed, but I don't think that is gonna be, bro. I think if things go well, this will go well. Consumer services, mostly green. Producer manufacturing, mostly green. A few reds here and there. Distribution here was a little bit red. Obviously, the tariffs, I think it will be hurting this. Consumer durables, pretty good. Consumer non-durables, actually not great. Just that I think this is very linked to the tariffs, so that's why it's happening. That's why it's moving like that. But technology doesn't care about tariffs in some cases. Like Google has many products that don't require physical products, the same as Apple. But Nvidia doesn't need it. But it's doing well, 3.86%. Not bad, bro, not bad. But anyways, what you doing in the afternoon? Well, we'll have to wait and find out if I have to work late today. But for now, I'm expecting doing a live stream on the King David channel, as you already know, bro. That's definitely a King David priority. Today in our school, a drunk man punched my friend Jessica. What, bro? Call the cops, bro. What the heck? Call the cops for that, bro. I hope that you did like contact somebody about it. Like, that's not good. If that ever happens to me, I'm calling a cop. Like the other day I had to talk to a cop because there were some things happening in the CTA, bro, in the train station. I hope your friend Jessica is doing well, bro. That sucks, bro. That's no bueno, bro. No bueno, bro. Surviving. Surviving. Okay, now let me do a video, bro. Let's do a quick video. And it's gonna be about Tesla. It's gonna be a quick video, bro. Our math teacher, sir, punched him back and sent him to MTP. If you don't know who's the MTP, was the like village cup. Yeah, I know. But are you in the Philippines? Is that where you're from? Bro, I hope your friend Jessica is doing well. Tell her that King David said he hopes she is okay, bro. Because that sucks, bro. I don't want to see violence, especially with a drunk person, bro. What the heck, man? What the heck? Is the market open? Nah, not yet, bro. So let me do this video, bro. Mizoram. I don't even know where Mizoram is. Let's look. Mizoram. Oh, so you're from like northeastern India. Interesting. I've never been there, bro, obviously. Wow, that's amazing. Ah, look at that tree. Wow, do you live like in a house like that? Wow, that looks beautiful. That's insane, bro. People characteristics, let's see. Mizo people of Mizoram are known for their strong community bonds, hospitality, and unique cultural practices. There you go, bro. Okay, let's do this quick video real quick. Quick video. Quick video. Let me do that quick video, bro. So we're gonna talk about Tesla for a quick second. can find it. Here. And I need this. Actually, let me look at the weekly here. And let's start with it. It is a 3, 2, 1. Tesla officially began Robotaxi testing in Austin and the Bay Area this week. This is no longer a future bet, it's happening now. Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Meanwhile, Nvidia chip partner SK Hynix just reported Q1. Oh, espérate. Let me do this again, bro. I really need to get this. Let me just do it again, bro. Let's do it again, so I can have a good flow. Okay, easy. 3, 2, 1. Tesla officially began Robotaxi testing in Austin and the Bay Area this week. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, welcome back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is no longer a future bet, it's happening now. And if you want any confirmation about this, you can read a little bit more in Seeking Alpha. There you go. Tesla's current price is at 251.30 pre-market. We have created a strong support, just waiting to break out of the trend line, and hopefully we'll get more upside. Meanwhile, Nvidia, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Yes, Nvidia's chip partner SK Hynix just reported Q1 revenue up 144%, flipping from a loss to over 2.89 trillion won in profit. Yes, that is insane. And it's all happening while the US and China are beefing up over tariffs again. Markets are reacting. The S&P is down 0.6%. The Nasdaq is down 0.8%, and the Dow is down 0.6%. And as you can see, the stock market heat map, it didn't have a bad day yesterday. But what will happen today? Is this the beginning of a new AI and EV breakout, or the calm before another storm? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells, you get notified. We do the videos con mucho amor. Let's clip that, bro. Dímelo, bro. The market opens at 8:30, so we'll see what happens from there. Actually, let me take a look at the DXY, but let me do this real quick. .8% again. Profit over two partner the trend. This is at Tumble. Gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, welcome. Tesla officially began Robotaxi testing in Austin. Okay, we got the clip. We got the clip, boys. We got the clip. Got the clip, boys. Got it. You see, bro, make a funny video in King David. Bro, did you know Italian brain rot animals? No. How can I do a funny video in King David? Like, just give me a funny idea and I'll do it, bro. I got you, bro. I got you. And I'll post it today. But it should be like a camera thing, or should... I posted a funny video yesterday. Just let me know, bro. So the market is not open yet. Oh my god, what's happening to my computer? It's crazy how it looks. You see, AutoUSD has been going down. Okay, AutoUSD still rejecting resistance. I want to see this go down once again. But it really depends on the dollar, bro. XRP just broke out the trend line, bro. So this is actually not bad. It could be that it's going up again. Man, we did go down to 2.11. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, laka 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 laka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom 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 boom. Boom chakalaka, yo 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 yo. Alright, DXY. This is the why we are moving up in other areas. Great rejection though. Still not over. So this is the Y. Bro, it's literally on the trend line, bro. DXY. Gonna keep an eye on that, bro. Bro, are you married? Nah, bro. Why you stop saying Dímelo? I didn't stop saying Dímelo, bro. Something like Italian brain rot animals have millions of views. Wait, what? Bro, but how can I do that, bro? Just give me ideas, bro. Are you in the Discord, bro? I'm not married, though. I do have a girlfriend. I have a princessa, bro, in my life. But I do work like a freaking motherfucker, bro. I work a lot, bro. And I work a lot. I've been sick recently, so I haven't been working out, sadly. But, you know, finally I'm getting better. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. See. Just trying to check out my positions here, guys. So give me a second. Just want to confirm everything. Okay, I'm good. Let's see. We're not in Discord because there are so many hackers. Oh, that's true. Single life is the best. It is until you're bored. Sometimes you want to share the time with somebody, bro. It's never a bad thing to either be single or married or having a couple. That's everything is good, bro. Really depends on your perspective in life. You know what I mean? Some people want to have kids, some people don't want to have kids. At least when you're single, you don't have to pay gifts for anybody. So all the gifts are for yourself. Your dumb friends are enough for you? I hope, bro, I hope they're good friends though. You don't have to be intelligent to be good friends, you know? But I hope they're good friends, like they inspire you to be better, you know? Like if they do inspire you to be better, then that's a good thing, bro. They're good friends. DSY getting stronger. Look at this. Let's see if he breaks here, bro. Just waiting to see what will happen because we reached trend line for the third time. 1, 2, 3. Waiting to see if the DXY really is gonna get stronger, and if it does, then everything else will go down. So that means that Euro USD should go lower, but really depends on this. And even crypto, bro. Let me look at GBP USD. Man, GBP USD didn't hit my order, bro. Oh, actually did. Just didn't have the margin. No, it hasn't hit. It's 1.3360. Yeah, it didn't hit. Not yet. I got sniper entries though. Oh, look at this rejection. This GBP USD seems like it's gonna go down. Like literally, it just depends on this freaking thing, bro. So if the dollar goes up, GBP USD goes down, Euro USD goes down, even crypto will definitely may have to go down. We'll have to see. Bro, thank you for your conversation, bro. I really like it. I really enjoy it. But let's see. I'm gonna look at that Italian brain rot animals. Italian brain rot animals have millions of views. I'm gonna check it out. If it's something that I can do or replicate, I don't know if I'm able to. Am I able to? Am I able to do that, bro? Can we look for it? Let's look for it, bro. Let's check it out. Let's see what the heck you're talking about. By the way, did you watch my music video, Billonario, bro? Bro, we just hit 300. Bro, it says 319,000 views, but I know that we got 320,000 views. If you haven't watched it already, bro, I'm gonna share it right now in the chat. Are you a smoker or a vapor? I don't vape. That's all I'm gonna say. And I don't frequently smoke anymore. Like cigarettes, I hate them. I hate cigarettes. I have them there, but I really don't wanna do it. They're very bad for you, bro. Very, very bad. Let me see. You already watched it? Watch it again, bro. Share it with Jessica. Let's see. Italian brain rot animals. Let's see. What the heck is this, bro? Let's see what the heck you want. Oh my god, what is this, bro? What video should I watch? Bro, what the heck is this? Okay, I need you to tell me which video I'm gonna watch, and I'll do a reaction or something regarding this. Just click what you want. Let's watch a short, I guess. But I saw. Let's see. Let's see. I don't even know. Type top 5 most popular. Let's see this, bro. What the heck is this, bro? What the heck is that? Oh my god. Literally Larry. Oh my god, bro. Patapim. What the heck is this, bro? Oh my god. What is that? Is that a baseball bat? Tung Tung Sahur? Oh, what? That looks insane, by the way. That looks crazy, bro. Bombardiro Crocodilo. Oh! Tralalero tralala. Bro, that's pretty popular. That's crazy, bro. Oh my god. Guys, what do you think about these Italian brain rot animals? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comment section. Bro, I'm actually gonna do a clip about this. I'm gonna post it on the King David channel, bro. I'm gonna post it on. Should I post it today? Today or Saturday? I need. I'll do. Type. Putting. King, what the heck is this? Reacts. What the heck is that? Top. Oh, I've literally Larry. Oh my because he's god, insane, bro. He looks insane. Italian brain rot animals. Yo, I can just do a reaction video. You know what I mean? That's crazy, bro. That's funny. Oh, the dollar losing weakness. See. Ooh, ooh. Just a silly motherfucker, boy. Silly motherfucker. Silly motherfucker, boy. Somewhere. Nah, nah. But, bro, one thing. Don't post Bomber, Dino, Crocodile, and Tralala because they are making God. ¿Cómo que making God? Making God? Why shouldn't I post it, bro? Like, it's literally there, bro. It's just my reaction to it. Like, what the heck? Just a silly motherfucker, boy. Silly motherfucker. Hey, 6 more minutes for the market open. Bro, I gotta start working too. Mocking God? What? How is that even? How is that? Does that even? I don't even know that, bro. How's that even a thing, bro? I don't quite get it. The relation from one thing to the other, bro. Pinting. But how, bro, how is that mocking? I don't quite get it. How you relate that? Oh, so I shouldn't post that video, bro. So I reacted to that. Tralalero, tralala, tralalero, tralala. Bro, that sounds like a song. Tralalero, tralala, tralalero. Bro, but I don't think he's like, is it really mocking God? Because that means like you can say, oh man, he's like God, like tralalelo, tralala. Meaning. I'll pass it on. He says tralalero tralala means I'll pass it on. AI generated audio meme that first appeared. The sound features a robotic Italian voice chanting tralalero tralala. Porso e porso alla. Ah. It's a sound that began trending on TikTok in early 2025. Oh, but it's the audio, bro. I don't know, bro. That's crazy, bro. But it came from Italy, huh? Bro, the market is opening in 1 minute. And after that, I'm gonna close the live stream. Okay, market is open. So it seems like the dollar is getting weaker again. Not totally confirmed just yet. Still hanging up by a thread over here. Bro, before you go, remember what I'm saying. Bro, but what should I react to? Just give me the animals you want me to react to. I wasn't reacting to exactly to it, bro. I didn't even listen to the song. Just the top 5 Italian brain rot. Okay, so okay. So then just give me a video, bro. Let's see this one, bro. Let's see if we get the other one, bro. See, but it's still there, bro. And he's still there, bro. Let's see this one. If this doesn't has it, I'm gonna react to it. I'm already watching it. Let's see if we don't get it. Okay. What about this? Is this a good list? There you go, bro. Boborito Bandito. Is that okay, bro? Okay, let's look at the current. Oh, dollar getting strong again, bro. Oh my goodness, this actually pushed up. No! Okay. Uf. Clase vela, bro. Pen, 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 pen. So el dólar se fue para abajo. Ok, eso significa que we're losing strength on the dollar. Take care, bro. Yeah, we'll stream tonight, bro. Bro, I search on YouTube. Oh. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified every time we're online. Do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful